You know what the Prophet ﷺ used to say before it rains. And we know what he used to say while it was raining. So what did he say after the rain was over? Chapter 65, after rainfall. When the rain stops, the Prophet ﷺ used to say,
مطرنا بفضل الله ورحمته.
we've been given rain by the grace of and mercy of Allah. Again, the rain is over. Yet he has to show and teach his followers, his ummah, that we attribute such a favor and blessing to Allah, the Almighty, Azza wa Jal. And this means that we have to attribute everything in life that is good to Allah the Almighty. Not to the stars, not to the clouds, not to the season, rather to the one who originally gave this to us.